So today I wanted to delve into one of the most asked questions about face yoga, and that is, in which order should we be doing our face yoga and how many minutes of this should we do each day to get results? So let's really get into this. You really need to look at a few things. Firstly, what time do you have each day? And be really realistic about this. If you know you easily have 30 minutes to do your face yoga every day, that's wonderful. Dedicate yourself to that. Make it one of your non-negotiable self-care practices every day. But if you say, actually, I only have a minute or 2 minutes each day, that's all I'm able to start with at the moment, then that's great. It's better to be realistic with yourself and actually just start with those 2 minutes, and then you can build up over time. Then when you know roughly how much time you've got each day, the second thing you want to look at is, are there any particular areas of my face that I want to work on? So for example, you may really want to work on your neck area and your eye area. So they're the key points that you're going to work on as you do your face yoga practice. Then you can start to design a program which is right for you around that. So for example, maybe you've decided you've got 3 minutes every day and you want to work cheeks and forehead area. Well, I would recommend picking one cheek exercise you're going to do each day for about 1 minute, one forehead technique you're going to do each day for about 1 minute, and then one which is really good for the whole face. So it might be something really simple like a full face massage, or it might be something which really gives really good blood circulation to the whole face. But it's always good to try and add something in which works the whole face. And in terms of which order you do this in, use your intuition. Maybe one day you wake up and you think, oh, I'm holding so much tension in my face. Well, maybe before you do your cheek and your forehead exercise, you're going to do something like tapping all over the face just to start to reduce some of that stress and tension. Or you might wake up thinking, I'm holding so much tension in my jaw, and maybe the jaw isn't the area which you're really wanting to work on, but you know that day doing something like a gentle jaw massage might be really helpful before you do your key areas and maybe your cheeks and your forehead area. So that's what I would definitely recommend for you. Now you can change it up as time goes on. Listen to what your face really needs. Now, if you have a longer amount of time, say you have like a full 30 minutes, I would recommend working key areas of the face. So I'd recommend working your neck, your jaw, mouth, cheeks, eyes and forehead area, and doing a few minutes of these each day. But the key is to keep it up regularly. It's better to do 3 minutes every day than 1 hour once a month. So whether it's 3 minutes, whether it's 30 minutes, you want to keep it going regularly. And if you really want a structured routine, you can start off with some of the gentler exercises, so things like the massage, or things which just wake up the face. Then you can go to some stronger facial exercises. Then you can do it a little bit more like a cool down, like what you would for a body workout, where you're maybe doing something like acupressure or gentle massage, or you may want to start and finish with some gentle lymphatic drainage. That's really nice if you want real structure with your face yoga. But remember, all of my techniques are designed to work individually. So even if you're doing it like a pick and mix, so you like the pick and mix that you can often get at cinemas or places like that, where you're picking certain sweets that you want and putting it in a bag, you can use face yoga in that way. So you can literally grab a few techniques that you want and do them in any order, because remember, something is better than nothing. Don't overthink it too much. Start off gently, do it every day, and then you can build up to a more structured routine if you want. I would definitely recommend getting both copies of my book. So I have Danielle Collins Face Yoga and I have the Face Yoga Journal. Now both of those have over 50 1-minute techniques in there. Danielle Collins Face Yoga has separate areas of the face, so you can really just reach in to any areas you want to work on. The Face Yoga Journal gives you a brand new technique every week for 52 weeks. So you can start it at any point in the year, but it's giving you a year worth of face yoga, and you're also getting loads of really nice wellness techniques in there. Really lovely space in there just to journal how you've got on that day, to journal about how you feel that day, but also to record what areas of the face you've worked on and how much you've done. So it really gives you that motivation as well. And both these books are available on Amazon and all good bookstores. So I definitely recommend having both of those as your companion for doing your face yoga. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you have found this helpful. Take care. Bye bye.